How to sign up on Monkey app. So of course you're gonna go to your Play Store or App Store so that you can download the app. Search for Monkey and install. Then once it's done, just go ahead and open it directly. So immediately you will be directed to something like this where you can sign up via Google or Facebook. So you can choose whichever you want. And by logging in, you are agreeing to their EULA and privacy policies. Go ahead and check in that. If you want more sign-in options, you can choose the button on the very bottom and you can choose a phone number. But in our case, we'll just be going with the sign in with Google. So just go ahead and choose the email you want in our Google and you can create your profile. Your name over here, and then your date. So birth date, I suppose. And then you go ahead and press ensure if you are. Choose either you are a girl or a guy. Then just go ahead and press on next. Once you're done with your little profile, you're gonna have to allow some permissions to the Monkey app. So pass your Monkey mic. Just go ahead and use the while using the app if you want. In our case, we'll just go on only this time for now. Then just go ahead and your camera and share your location. But once you do that, you pretty much have your own account in Monkey app that quickly. So that's how you sign up on Monkey app. You can just start using it directly. You can tap to start video chatting, and hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.